myself. My name is Aisha Noor. I am 4 years old. I will be 5 in June. I have very short black hair and brown eyes. I am quite tall and extremely thin. I look like my father. I live in a big city called Karachi. I live with my father and mother and my sister Fatima and my brother Yusuf in a large flat. I go to a primary school. I walk to school every morning with my sister Fatima. I get quite a lot of homework. I like English and social studies, but mostly the maths. My favorite meal is hamburger and chips and ice cream. My mother says this is not healthy, so she makes me eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. I like to go cycling with my father. We usually ride our bikes in the park. We never cycle on busy roads.